Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this short video I'll be showing you a quick and effective way to clean out your paint roller sleeve after painting. So after you've used your paint roller to apply, let's say, emulsion to a wall, I've been painting some walls with white matte emulsion and I've finished now, and the sleeve is loaded up with paint still, although I've used most of the paint in the tray. It's time to clean it out because it can be quite expensive if you just throw this away, this sleeve, every time you use it. So to clean it out, you can just use your hands and water. What I like to use is one of these devices. And this has a comb on the one side for brushes, for removing the paint from brushes, and on the other side it has this like half semicircle hook, and that's designed to drag the paint out of the roller, and you'll see how that works in a minute. But this is a plastic one, good because it won't rust. But I've also got this one which is metal, so you can get them in metal, and this one's got a smaller half circle on it. Right, so here we have my paint tray and the roller. As I've been using it on and off, I've had it in this bag just to stop it all drying out, but now I'm going to put it all away so I can remove this bag. You can always wrap your roller in cling film as well while you're using it, just to keep it from drying out. So I've already kind of run it down a bit so it's not loaded up with paint. As you can see, it's not full of paint, and I've run it on the wall to try to get excess paint off. But the next step is to use this scraper here just to get the excess off before we wash it. And I've got another little one here, so I'm just going to put some gloves on. You don't have to do that, but I'm going to do that. I've got some rubber gloves here, so now you don't have to worry about your hands. I've got a little roller there, I'll sort that one out in a minute, but I'm just going to remove the roller first. Now, just using the scraper, I'm going to take off as much excess paint as I can, because you don't really want all this going down the sink if you can avoid it. Just going around the roller, and there you can see all the excess paint is going into the tray. It's quite a lot of paint on here, so when you're washing these in the sink, it feels like it's going to take forever because there's a lot more paint inside the material than you realise. So good to get the excess off first. So now the majority of the excess paint has been removed. You can see it all, there's a big puddle. It's now time to give this a wash. So here I have a bucket of warm water mixed with dish soap, and I'm going to put it in here and leave it to settle and soak, and then later on the paint should come off really easily. Just give it a mix around and just leave it. If you've got any other rollers that need doing, you can do them all at the same time, or if any have gone a little bit hard, it's good to give them a soak and just leave them in here so that all the fibres are nice and soft for next time you use it. So I'm just going to leave that for a while, and we'll come back and then give it a final clean. And if you've got excess dry paint on the end of your roller, you can also dip that in here and just leave that to soak as well. So now I've just squeezed off any excess paint into the bucket, and I've brought the roller over to the sink to give it a final clean. So the majority of the paint should have been removed by now, but there will still be plenty of paint in here. So this is how I do it. I do it in the sink. You could do it in the garden with a hose pipe, on the grass for example, or in a border, whatever you like. But I continue to use this scraper to remove excess paint. Then I'll just load it up again with water and repeat the process. So if you continue the process, eventually there won't be any paint on the water when it comes out, and it will just be pretty much clear like it is now. So there's no more paint in this roller, water is clear. So now I'm just going to remove the excess water because we want this to dry out. So I'll just use the scraper, just keep scraping it. And on a warm day this should dry out in no time. There you can see there's no more water coming out now. And that is now ready to just put and let dry for a little bit. So once you're done, it should be nice and fluffy like a hedgehog with the spines or the fibres poking upwards like this. So this is almost dry just by scraping all the water out, and that'll be ready to use very soon. So that just demonstrates why these tools are so useful. It really helps you to get the excess paint out on a roller or on a brush as well with the comb here. So I would definitely recommend investing in one of these. Okay, so that's about it then for this video. So that's how you can quickly and easily clean out your paint roller sleeve ready for its next use, and you don't have to throw a sleeve away every time you use one. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.